How to file 1099K for Uber on FreeTaxUSA. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's get started. First, go to FreeTaxUSA website. To do that, open your preferred browser and click search bar at top. Type in freetaxusa.com and press enter on your keyboard. You will reach on the official interface of FreeTaxUSA website. Now click on Start 2024 Return. And now, if you're the new user, click Create Account button and follow the steps to set up. For the returning user, you need to enter your username and password and then click on Sign in Now button to access your account. And after that, you simply need to start a new tax return. Select the correct tax year and fill in your personal details. Then you need to gather your over 1099K form. Over provides 1099K detailing your earnings and transactions. And with that, you need to navigate to the income section and select self-employment income or miscellaneous income and enter the gross income reported on your 1099K. Then review and verify by double checking that all the income details are correct. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the filing. And if you owe taxes, choose the payment option. If you are due a refund, select direct deposit or mail delivery and check confirmation and support. With that, you will successfully file your 1099K for Uber on FreeTaxUSA. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.